Tablo is your portal to free TV, delivering the best of broadcast TV and free live streaming TV channels to every screen in your home. In the following walkthrough, we'll detail how to connect and set up your 4th-gen Tablo hardware. First, find a good place near your TV antenna to place your Tablo. On top of a bookshelf is ideal. And remember to avoid obstructions that could block Wi-Fi signals, like metal or concrete. Now connect one end of the coaxial cable to your TV antenna, and the other end to the coaxial port on your Tablo, finger tighten only. Then, if your Wi-Fi router is close to your TV antenna, you can use the included Ethernet cable, connecting one end to Tablo's Ethernet port and the other end to your router. If an Ethernet connection isn't possible, don't worry. You can always connect your Tablo to your network via Wi-Fi later on. Finally, connect the power adapter to the nearest wall outlet or power bar and plug the other end into your Tablo. Your Tablo hardware is now connected. If you plan to add optional USB storage to your Tablo, you must first configure your Tablo device using the Tablo mobile app. Once first-time setup is complete and your Tablo has successfully connected to the internet, you can connect an external hard drive to the USB port of your Tablo. USB flash drives are not supported. Remember to place it where it has proper airflow and never stack your electronic devices. Have questions or comments about Tablo? We're here to help. Our customers are very important to us, and we offer many ways to find the answers you seek in our FAQs, quick start guides, and knowledge base articles. To access these resources or to get help from Tablo users in our active community forums, visit our website at tablotv.com/support. There you'll also find links and info to connect directly to our helpful customer success team through email, phone, or live chat. Discover the world of free TV with Tablo today.